If you're contemplating on upgrading your electrical service panel because you want to install something like an EV charger, a hot tub, or if you think you'll need more than the 100 amp that you're getting from your electric utility because you're switching major appliances from gas to electric models, then installing this modular power system first might save you tens and thousands of dollars. The smart home component manufacturer Savant Systems offer a professionally installed power monitoring system designed to help homeowners cut down on energy costs. This is Savant's customizable smart budget system that tracks and controls your power usage via a series of modules installed in your home's electrical panel. Now, depending on the size of your system, Savant predicts homeowners will spend somewhere between $1,000 to $1,500 for its hardware plus installation, which is more affordable than the alternative of replacing your existing service panel and working with your electric utility provider to upgrade to a higher amp service, which could end up costing a lot more. As more and more home appliances are moving away from gas to electric appliances, such large power consumption can run up against the amp limits from people's homes. The genius of Savant's product is that you probably don't even need 100 amps of electricity all the time. You really just need to manage how the power is divvied up. Traditional breaker panels don't take that into account, but the smart budget system does. If you're already at the limits of your breaker box's capacity, the smart budget lets you get around with the automated control of individual circuits. The Savant app will regulate the panel's power output, allowing you to prioritize your energy usage, shed unneeded power loads, and balance your power consumption. In a scenario such as you're charging your car, you might have the smart budget turn off the circuits powering your electric clothes dryers or your electric range. And when you're cooking dinner, you can have it shut off the circuit for your car charger or dryer so your range can operate. Savant's smart budget system should be available in the second quarter of 2025, and it is recommended you hire a licensed electrician to perform the installation. Electrical panels can be incredibly dangerous if you don't properly cut power from your main breaker before removing the cover. Obviously, we're oversimplifying how the smart budget system works, and it does a lot more than what we just described. But the bottom line is that it's a brilliant power management system and frankly a great money-saving solution.